Hey guys, we are back for another video, and actually we are in Jakarta, Indonesia. I'm with Jamie, and actually in Zippo Labs Fashion. So I always want to go to audio stores in every country that I go to. So actually we're gonna go to an audio store right now. So the top from your suggestions, guys, is actually, you said that it's STC Senayan. So we're actually gonna go there now. Hopefully I still have enough time to go through each store there, but will be interesting. So join us in our vlog for today. Alright guys, so we're here in STC Senayan. It's in the other building. We're walking now towards there. It's 7 p.m. so hopefully the store is still open. Okay, so you have turntables, PHR, Camera Pro. You have bike shops. So it seems like these are like specialty shops. Fuji shop with all the Fuji film. You have Legato Audio Store. So we're warming up, but we're not yet there. Alright, so we're now near, but that's Beyond the Music. Actually they're closing, I think, but hopefully we can still listen to some IEMs here. Beyond the Music. What the store looks like. Okay, so we are now here in Beyond the Music. So it seems like they have a lot of headphones and also IEMs and amplifiers, and they have a lot of choices actually. So let's try to go to each one. So they have headphones from Grados, Mies, it seems like Fostex, Sony's, V-Modus. Of course, these, I think this is the new ones, the newer ones, though these ones I think, PCX, and I'm not sure what this is. It's kind of fake new thing. And you have Jamie here. And of course some amplifiers, some cases, which is cool. Roxanne's, looks like the Oppo PM1s, EL8s, which I have, Ian Flows, Q-Style, QP1RS, Beat Audio cables, Focals, ODs, Wharfdales. They have some speakers also, and this looks like the Ananda. Is this the Aria? Okay, bigger one. ZMF. Is this the Auteur? Auteur or this one? Auteur? Auteur or
Auteur.
Auteur?
Yeah.
Okay. Blackwoods?
Ferry.
Kodak, IDEX 6, and yeah. Hugo, of course. Stax, SR007. Of course, you have some IEMs, GM Audio, Wharfdales, Hi-Fi Man, Cayenne, Sundara, Ananda, VT, oh, some TWS, Acoustunes. Yeah, a lot of options here. They also have some cables from Effect Audio. Yeah, a lot of options. Yeah, I do have one. It's really good quality. Eletech. You have the Stack L500s, 007s, Advanced Sound, Focal Spirit. Yeah, lots of options here. CMA 800R. Yeah, really cool. There's a lot of like high-end stuff, headphones to IEMs, also lots of options. So let me try some stuff out. It's more micro detail than the previous one. The previous one is warmer. I mean, they're good, but it's not for me.
It's eating my face. First of all, it lacks bass. There's surround sound feels.
You don't like it? This is the latest hoodies. They're the compact hoodies. I don't like the build. It's too flimsy. Feeling, at least. It's like plastic feeling. It's very creaky. But I want to try it out. Let's try it out. Yeah, it's kind of like War Machine presentation. I'm not a fan. So that's alright. Tunes Audio. Julep Belly Audio Portable. This looks like a more familiar place. Look at this, guys. So they have lots of IMs, also a lot of audio players, portables as well. Actually, yeah, we have, you know, a lot of IMs. Fit ears. They have fit ears. What's that? It's a case. And oh, you have Moondrops, Nobles, Hi-Fi Mans, EM7X. Wow, it's nice to see that here in Jakarta. So we have some cables. You have Noble, Sony, Soul, lots of brands, and this seems like custom earbuds. Audio Technicas, Tunes Audio, and cool, they have a coffee machine also. Alright, so that is our look here in Beyond the Music in STC Senayan. There's have a lot of stuff, and especially like high-end stuff as well. So if you're into that, if you're into headphones, and if you are going to go to Jakarta, this is a place to go to check out their stuff. Their staff was really nice to be. I was able to listen to a lot of headphones and also IEMs. Cool that they're just open to, you know, having people listen to their IEMs. So definitely, if you're into that, you should go here and you know, just talk to them and try out their stuff. It's nice to try out you know, headphones yourself or earphones yourself, and this is a nice place for that. They're, you know, really complete from high end. I was able to try out the ZMFs, and also I was able to try out the CMA600s. That's actually what I want to buy myself. And also they have some CMA800s as well, and also stacks as well. So yeah, for most of the headphones here, I have listened to them already in other places, so I didn't, you know, listen to all of them, but they have a lot of stuff here. So really cool place, I'd say. I would recommend it if you are looking for, you know, that kind of level of headphones here. So that is our look here in Beyond the Music STC Senayan. I'm gonna link down below where to find this. Gonna go to Jakarta. I'm gonna have the address down in the comments or in the description below. And of course, if you learned something, leave a like and subscribe for more content like this in the future. Terima kasih. Bye.